ApeCoin, once crowned the meme king of the last cycle, has spent 2 long years bleeding inside a punishing down channel. This week, out of nowhere, it spikes onto 3 different social activity leaderboards while ApeChain prints its busiest day since launch. Add a confirmed weekly breakout for laser-focused profit targets and a battalion of veteran traders stalking the make-or-break line at 60 cents, and you have a powder keg few retail traders will notice until it explodes. Over the next 8 minutes, we'll weave on-chain metrics, alpha group charts, fresh DAO politics, and Metaverse land hype to see whether ApeCoin can sprint from 70 cents to $5 by 2025. Phoenix Group's top DAO project's graphic catapults Ape into bronze position behind Mask and Tau. 24 hours later, their NFT leaderboard echoes the result, and Lunar Crush's All-Trank drops Ape into the top 10. Triple signaling like that hasn't shown up since early 2023. And back then, price ripped 63% in 12 days. Social data isn't gospel, but it's the smoke that usually precedes fire. When hashtags trend and Discord rooms buzz, liquidity follows. Ignoring that signal is like driving with the radio off while the traffic report screams about a pileup ahead. Chain Broker tags ApeCoin among the week's fastest movers inside its GameFi snapshot. Game Money is mercenary, it hunts living ecosystems. Gala Games is porting 2 Unreal Engine titles to ApeChain, and Yuga Labs is teasing Otherside mini experiences that could drop any quarter. The last bull proved that tokens sitting at the crossroads of gaming and metaverse narratives don't merely rise, they catapult 3 to 5 times a market cap once a flagship title sticks. Tokens with real intellectual property plus active players create reflexive demand. More gamers means higher chain fees. Higher fees mean bigger treasury inflows and the flywheel spins. Gachita's 6-month ApeChain chart shows the highest daily volume since launch. Real wallets, real gas. Alpine Web3's Formula One campaign pushed eyeballs into the ecosystem, but developer momentum is the real engine. Privy's Glyph wallet now lets anyone spin up an ApeChain address with a single X login, while new partner marketplaces add frictionless NFT listings. Flip to our TradingView screen. The visible range volume profile shows the fattest liquidity node right where we trade now. Think of it as a gigantic spring compressing under the candle bodies. When it releases, price moves hard. DAO politics rarely trend on crypto Twitter, yet they quietly decide where millions in grants land. ApeCoin's special council election opens community voting June 12th and seats new members July 1st. The last turnover back in 2022 approved $11 million in builder funding within 3 months. Builders chase funding. Funding drives utility. Utility forces price discovery. Expect proposals for ApeChain tooling, liquidity mining, and Fury baits to hit the forum minutes after results post. Hodl Dog's tweet flexing his biogenic swamp deed isn't empty hype. On-chain data shows Otherside land sales up 14% month-over-month for the first time since November. Yuga's Builder Tool demo set for Q3 will let holders reshape terrain, add assets, and deploy quests. Every click paid in ApeCoin gas. Premium intellectual property plus usable land equals scarcity. Ape sits in a rare dual lane, GameFi on one side, blue-chip metaverse on the other. That's narrative rocket fuel if both engines fire simultaneously. Price has respected a broadening descending channel since June 2022. A steeper internal trend line from December 2024's lower high to April 2025's retest was shattered few weeks ago. Textbook confirmation. Key metrics. VRVP ridge from 47 to 58 cents now flips from resistance to support. HARSI prints its 8th positive weekly candle since April breakout. Here's my Fibonacci targets. First, take profit target around $1.40, 40% trim, right on channel resistance. We must be cautious. TP2 at $2.15, 30% trim. TP3, $3.30, another 20% trim. And our moonshot TP4 at $5, pocketing the last 10%. Remember, risk management is non-negotiable. A weekly close under 44 cents nukes the setup full stop. Inner Circle trader Manbit wants a candle body and retest above 73 cents before aping in. That level is the June 2024 breakdown, the January 2025 failed reclaim, and the heart of our VRVP ridge. Miss the move? His reload block sits around 60 cents, right where prior weekly closes stacked. Patience equals edge. The bull case is a mosaic. Triple social flare-ups, surging on-chain activity, dual GameFi Metaverse narratives, fresh Treasury catalysts, and a clean breakout with transparent invalidation. The bear case? Bitcoin dominance could spike, draining altcoins' liquidity. Yuga could delay releases, and U.S. regulators might target NFT-linked tokens. Discipline beats hope. So, I slice profits at every fib target. Markets reward risk managers, not diamond hands. Tagging TP4 at $5.10 puts Ape's fully diluted value near $6 billion. Half Axie's peak and 1/10 Decentraland's bubble cap. ApeChain gas plus Otherside fees could conservatively burn or recycle $30 million worth of Ape each year. A 200x revenue multiple ordinary for high-growth crypto gaming already justifies $5. Historically, markets re-rate governance tokens aggressively once reliable cash flow turns on. And ApeCoin's fee burn model means every single Otherside quest or mini-game literally erodes circulating supply. That's a catalyst many overlook. So, maybe you're questioning yourself. What are the action steps and growth hacks? What I'm going to do? Set alerts at 73 and 78 cents for breakout confirmation. Monitor vote turnout on snapshot June 12th to 18th. Low participation often precedes volatility. Track land sale volume on OpenSea's Otherside filter. Spikes correlate with token pumps. Watch gas fees on ApeScan. Rising median GUI shows sticky users. Log these in a TradingView note or Trello board so you react, not predict. If today's map helped, smash the like button. Comment below. Does Ape hit target 2 before July? Or does it chop the shelf first? I read and reply every take. Ready to weaponize this knowledge? Grab my ebook DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. Inside, you'll learn how I build yield stacks, scout low-risk airdrops, and size positions so survivorship bias works for you. It's just $4.99, first link pinned in the comment section, and it will pay for itself the next time you dodge a rug or nail a fib extension. For more Ape Alpha, binge the trilogy queued on your end screen. Watch those back-to-back. Subscribe if you're new. Ring the bell so you never miss a breakout. And as always, stay curious, stay disciplined, and stay profitable. See you tomorrow.